Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to make stickers out of any image that you find, even if it's not in JPEG form. Here I have the Starbucks gift tags. This was a PDF that was available on the Starbucks game Starbucks for Life during the holidays. First, I'm going to click on the Start button and look up Snipping Tool. And you should get something that look like this. If you're on a Mac, you'll want to click on Shift Command 4. So what we're gonna do is take a screenshot, and I'm gonna take a screenshot of these two designs. So here's the screenshot. I'm going to right click and click on Save As. That way I can save this to my computer. And after that's done, you can go directly to Cricut, but I want to add a white border around these because I'm gonna make these into stickers. In order to remove the white background, I'm going to go to this website called Remove BG and upload my image here. So it'll change the background transparent for you, and then I'm going to download this. Next, I'm going to go to Photopea, which is like a free Photoshop site, and this way I can add the white outline. I'm going to insert my image that I saved from remove.bg, and I'm going to select layer, click on layer style, go to stroke. If you want to make the outline a little bigger, you can drag this, or you can type in a number. So I'll try 10. And then you can change the color. So I like white, so I'm going to select white. And once you're happy with it, you will export as PNG. Now moving on to Cricut, I'm going to first upload my image, and make sure you upload the one with the white outline if that was what you wanted. I'm going to select complex. I don't have to click on anything here. And I'm going to insert to my project. Here you can adjust the size. If you want this bigger or smaller, it's automatically at 2.21 inches. And you can right click and hit duplicate. And you can make a row of these. Since this is going to be a print and cut, I like adding a square in the background so I know like the edges that I can print on. So the maximum width is 6.75 and the maximum height is 9.25. So I'm going to right click on this and send to back. So when I'm laying out all of my gift tags, I know how to place this and I know that I can't cross this gray box. And then once you're done, you can delete this background. For my settings, I have my knob on my Cricut Explorer Air 2 to custom, and you'll want to click on sticky notes. If you print this on cardstock, then you would click on cardstock. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye!